Hey guys, it's me again. I was just watering the plants and this angry little bird started freaking out on me, and I realized she has a nest inside of that plant with a tiny little egg. So I gotta be really careful not to water the nest. This actually happened last year. Oh, see, there she is. Oh, so I'm gonna show you guys. Once it focuses, you'll see, sorry about that, you'll see there's a nest. I know. Stressing her out. I gotta water this though. See the nest? Here we go. I lost it. Okay, here we go. And the eggs. Wow. There's a bunch of them in there. And she is so unhappy. I'm so sorry, Mama Bird. I'm not gonna harm your eggs at all. No, I promise. They're safe. Man, I feel bad. I'll put a little more water in it and then I'll move on. Jeez.